My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Recov. So, my video is strictly for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your data without any troubles, as you can clearly see. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data can be opened easily without any complications. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Recov ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Very soon, users realize that something really bad has taken place with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore because of this horrible Recov ransomware. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get this message indicating that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Recov additionally appended extension. The ransomware also changes the desktop background, as you can clearly see, and then it drops a special ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Paying the ransom is certainly not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay that ransom and don't waste your money. We recommend you to urgently remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program. By the way, this is the ransom note called decryption guide. Don't pay the ransom. To remove this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So, through Internet Explorer browser, go to the page combocleaner.com, the official website of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Download the software, install it, and then start carefully researching your system by clicking on Start Scan button. But first of all, the program will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to detect this ransomware and to remove it effectively, and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. We recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution for getting your data always protected.